Hi, good afternoon. My name is Bukola. Welcome back to Hot Kitchen. Please, I hope you've subscribed to my channel. Please, I'm begging you, please subscribe. Please, thank you. So today, I'm going to show you how you can make stir-fry noodles that is this yummy and nice. Oh yes, yummy. So I like to prep my meal. What I mean by prep is that I cut everything I need to use for the meal, the peppers, everything. So most time when I'm cooking, I use fresh ingredients. So what I do is just cut everything, clean it, so it makes my cooking really fast and better. So what I'm doing now is removing the seed from the pepper that I used, the red pepper, and also cutting it into different shapes. I also like to separate the white part of the spring onions from the green parts because the green part is very soft compared to the white part. So I'm going to put the white first in the pot. So that's why I separate it. I'll be using smoked chicken for this recipe, so I'm just cutting my smoked chicken breast into different sizes. Yep. So yeah, let's cut it. Now let's start the cooking. Add butter. Add shrimp, then make sure you separate it so that it will fry well. So we're going to fry it for like 3 minutes. Make sure it's well cooked and very fried. Yeah. I added 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm about to add my carrots. So I dice the carrots into these shapes. I like these shapes for my stir fry. So yeah. Add the spice. I also added the smoked chicken that I cut into the sauce. I like to darken it, so I'm going to add soy sauce to darken it. Yeah, I prefer it like that. Noodles I'm using It's also called rice cake. You can get it at a regular supermarket in Lagos. So I'm going to use quarter from the pack. So what I do is just pour water and fill up the bowl. Just normal water, not hot, not warm, just normal water, and fill the bowl up. So I added the seasoning cube. Also added salt, just small. Okay. So what I'm doing now is to ensure that the noodles is well mixed and is not burning, and also to spread it very well, and also checking if there's still water. At this point there was still water, so I'm just checking and mixing it very well. Now that it's dry, you can see that it's not going together, it's separated like one. So I'm going to add the last part of the ingredient, which is then I'm going to add the remaining spring onions, the green part of the spring onions, and the fried shrimps. So just allow it steam for 1 minute.